Feels like we're in the middle of a hurricane.
Adventures of
7! All right, today's adventure starts out with kids having a little breakfast. Dad with a nice haircut, feeling young and handsome. Well, at least young. And Mom and I are gonna go on a run to try and work off our cruise, which is coming up. We're trying to pre-work it off, get it down so that we can gain it back. I think it's gonna be a good plan. What do you guys think?
So one of my favorite ways to start the day is with morning run, morning prayers and a morning run. A good way to start the day. And we haven't done it a ton this trip because we've been driving so much. But when we hit 10K subscribers, we're gonna run a 10K, our whole family with the kids. So help us out by clicking the subscribe button and telling your friends. And yeah, join us on our adventures today. And don't forget, National Park Sunday, it's amazing. So what do you do when you're living in a van and an RV and it's raining, so you can't go to the beach? You what? Eat. Eat. You eat, crunch and munch, and play games. One of my favorite things about camping is you meet cool people from all over the world. Ezra's playing pickleball out here with a bunch of new friends. Are you having fun, buddy? Yep. Yeah? Cool. I think that Kimber and Cruzer decided to go to the hot tub. I don't blame them. It looks like a tropical paradise around here, but it's freezing. I found ya! Yeah. Staying warm? Okay, I'm gonna time Cruzer and see how long he can hold his breath for.
How long?
That one was 20.
20?
Yeah.
I can go higher than that.
Okay.
36.
36? He's practicing free diving. You know how to do the controls?
I'm gonna do cannonball. Ready? Ready? Go! That was awesome!
Cruzer doesn't seem to care that we're in the middle of a hurricane.
Ready, set. That was fun.
I think I'm sticking with the hot tub.
This is gonna be fun. Ready? That taught me this. The master chef really did teach me this. Okay, good. Good thing we're doing good. Because we're gonna be bigger.
I don't know. It's supposed to be nice here. Feels like we're in the middle of a hurricane. I don't know if you can see these branches blowing like crazy behind me. Here's some lower ones. Oh yeah, now the wind stops. I thought hurricane season was over, but it's like rainy, pelting my face, windy. So, I don't know. We were wanting to go to the beach today. I think I'm gonna go get some hot chocolate. I don't think a trailer park is where you want to be in the middle of a hurricane. So, hopefully we're still here tomorrow. Subscribe either way. I'm super glad we're not in a tent right now. That would not be fun. I made fun of Kimber for packing her umbrella, but who's laughing now? She was right. Trailer living in freezing hurricane rainstorm is not fun.
Like 74.
We had the lucky job to get the laundry.
Yeah, we wrapped up some towels and then ran back. And all the old folks in the laundry thing were laughing at us because we were snuggling up in towels and running around.
Is that funny?
Yeah.
All right. Mom and I decided to ditch the kids and go to lunch. So we looked up this really cool winery. We don't drink alcohol, but we think wineries are cool. So that's where we're going, and we're gonna go see what we think of Schnibley's. I don't know if the lights have anything to do with how good the food is. Those are pretty cool though.
Spread all around. They don't make any of their wines here from grapes. They make them from different fruits, so that was interesting.
But they got some koi fish.
Yes.
What else do you need? And another little fountain over here. Well, that was good. Back to the kids.
Yeah, it's a lot better than eating peanut butter and jelly in the trailer.
So nice to be an adult. All right, so we decided the sun came out, we better go to the pool. Mom and Ezra are playing basketball though.
Yep.
Barefoot basketball, island ball. What's wrong? Too cold for you? Go.
Macy got first place. Dad got second place. Kimber got third place. And Cruzer got last. Good job, Cruzer. No, I got second last. No, you got Macy, last. If Kimber got third, then I got second last. No. I didn't do the competition.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
Oh. Okay, Macy's gonna try for 1 minute. So whenever you go down, I'll look at the time.
Okay.
You're last. Well, then Kimber would have been second place. No, second to last.
Hey, time's going. Nice job. 1 minute and 5 seconds.
Huh?
1 minute, 5 seconds.
I could beat that. We did not blow away today in the hurricane. We're still here playing cards, and we are moving to a new spot tomorrow. So make sure you subscribe. We want to have every adventure together with you. See you tomorrow.